जिंदाबाद।
45 years old Nitin Nabin is the new national president of the BJP.
आदरणीय रक्षा मंत्री जी का स्वागत करें।
His name was announced after a day-long nomination process at the BJP headquarters, where he was the only candidate in the fray. Mr. Nabin has replaced Jagat Prakash Nadda in the high-profile post. So who is the new BJP boss? Let's tell you. As one of the youngest BJP presidents to date, Mr. Nabin is expected to midwife a general shift in the BJP as it looks forward to the next decade or so. Hailing from Bihar, Mr. Nabin's father, Nabin Kishore Prasad Sinha, had been a multi-term BJP MLA and had thus been associated with the party for some time. He was on the verge of completing his engineering degree from Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, when, in 2006, his father passed away, and he was roped in to contest the bypoll from his seat. Since then, Mr. Nabin has remained unbeaten as an MLA, first from Patna West and after delimitation from the Bankipur seat. Organizationally, he held positions in the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, the youth wing of the BJP, at the state and later at the national level as well. He also served as Minister for Roads in the Nitish Kumar government between August 2021 and 2022. As Minister for Urban Development, Housing and Law and Justice from 2024 to 2025. His caste credentials: Mr. Nabin comes from the Kayas community, an upper caste group widely seen as politically neutral and not in direct conflict with other groups. In 2023, Nitin Nabin was tasked with leading the BJP's charge in the Chhattisgarh Assembly election. This was at a time when the Congress, led by Bhupesh Baghel, was seen as firmly entrenched, and most exit and opinion polls predicted a win for that party. But led by Nabin, the BJP won with a clear majority. Perhaps more than his own wins in Bihar, it was the Chhattisgarh campaign that set Nitin Nabin on course to become the BJP's national president. Moreover, three factors are said to have weighed in his favor. The first, his grasp of the party's organization and ground-level election work. Second, his alignment with the leadership's way of functioning. Third, his ability to deliver on difficult political assignments. For the BJP, his elevation is being projected as both a message to the cadre and a statement of intent, contrasting its gender shift with the Congress, which continues to be led by 84-year-old Mallikarjun Kharge.
शब्दों से पूरे देश का भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता